Over the weekend, we saw the strained political and military ties between India and Pakistan taking a toll on cultural ties as well between the two nations. Now, let's tell you what exactly is going on at a time when India and Pakistan are supposedly once again trying to make worse enemies of each other. This is what's happened in the national capital. Pakistan-born writer Tariq Fateh targeted in Delhi. Fateh was heckled at an Urdu poetry festival in the capital for taking some positions which he claims did not go down too well with the audiences that had gathered there. He also claims he was kicked and attacked by an unruly crowd. That's not all. A bounty incident was also announced on Tariq Fateh by a Bareilly-based Islamic outfit. The organization claims that Tariq Fateh has hurt Muslim sentiments by hosting a TV show called Fateh Ka Fatwa, when he's not supposed to be doing so. So says that clergy. Let's raise the next big question on the program tonight. Fateh par fatwa. Can Tariq Fateh really claim to be a true representative of Indian Muslims? What exactly is Mr. Fateh trying to do? Why is it that Mr. Fateh is always in the midst of a raging controversy? And here he is, smiling as ever in our studios, along with Shehzad Poonawalla, well-known writer and Congress activist, and someone who keeps a close tab on all activities of Mr. Fateh as well. So, Tariq Fateh, let me just first begin by asking you, sir, what is your game?
Well, I don't.
What exactly are you trying to do, sir?
I don't claim to represent anyone other than myself or what I do on the television show.
But that's not true, you know. I mean, you keep taking positions on behalf of Indian Muslims.
No, I don't take
And
any.
you keep saying that Indian Muslims are playing into this hand of victimhood complex.
Absolutely.
You use all kinds of phrases. May I say who's given you the right to represent Indian Muslims?
I don't have any right to claim. I am an Indian, and therefore I will express my opinion.
Why is it, Shehzad, why is he just expressing his opinion, or is there something that I cannot understand?
Bhupen, I'm a lawyer, and Article 19 of our Constitution, I don't think Mr. Fateh has read it. It extends to all citizens.
How do you know that?
One second, sir.
No, how did you claim I didn't read that?
Are you behaving like the jihadists that you...
No.
So then don't
You
interrupt
just lie.
me. Let
You
me
just
make
lie.
my point. Let me make my point.
Yeah, sure.
You can talk to me later. Let me make my point. I didn't interrupt you.
but you
And you
just-
can take this bullying to Saudi Arabia where you enjoyed hospitality
Yes,
for
yes,
10
yes,
years,
that's
or you
right.
can go back to your home country. But don't
I
talk
don't-
in the
my
middle
home-
when
my home country
All
is-
right, so let me talk.
Yes.
Let me
Well,
talk.
let's
Will
not
you
make
keep
it
quiet?
personal. Let's not
Will you
make it
keep
personal.
quiet for 2 minutes?
Let's try.
Can
Let's
Mr. Fateh keep quiet?
Sure.
Did I interrupt him?
Let's
Did
not-
I interrupt him?
Can I
This
just...
is not a
Let
mosque
me-
let's-
where you
let's-
can bully people.
No,
All right,
nobody's
so
bullying.
now let me make my
Nobody
point.
bully anybody.
Go
Nobody
ahead,
bully
make your
anybody.
Let me
point.
make
let
my
him-
point.
let him
If you
respond.
ever
No,
went to a
listen,
mosque, you
don't
know what
tell me-
happens there, but you haven't.
No, don't
Can
tell me what I read or
Let him
allowed to
respond.
make my
Tariq,
point
let him respond.
without
Come to
this
you.
Don't
man,
tell me what I've read or
without
I have
this
not read.
man
Fair enough.
butting in.
Don't worry.
I don't
Shehzad,
have to
Shehzad.
butt in or
Shehzad,
anything.
Shehzad
Don't
is
talk
speaking.
when you're not spoken
Go
to.
ahead,
Why
go
do
ahead.
you do?
Now let me talk.
Keep talking.
Sir, see, this won't go anywhere.
Just
go
Shehzad,
ahead.
Shehzad,
I want
Shehzad is speaking.
uninterrupted time.
Why?
Shehzad.
Who are you, Prince of Maharaja of
listen. Tariq
Poonawalla?
Saab,
I'll
Tariq
tell you
Saab.
what I am.
No, you're nothing.
I'll tell you what I am. I'll tell you what I
That's
am.
what
If
I'm
you
saying.
keep quiet, I'll tell you what I
Now
am.
you're just a bully.
Okay, let me now make my point.
See, you yourself, I'm doing this program
Bhupen
because I want
Chaubey,
to take a position against bullying. So don't indulge in that. Yes.
Bhupen Chaubey,
Go ahead.
Article 19 extends to Indian citizens. My forefathers chose not to go to Pakistan and stayed in India, unlike Mr. Fateh's forefathers
I
who
don't
remained
care
in
about
Pakistan
my
and lived
forefathers.
there.
What the
So
hell
you
is-
are on a visa, Mr. Fateh.
Yes.
So understand the privileges you have.
No.
You don't have any rights.
I have
First
all
of
the
all.
rights. Listen.
Now listen to me.
I wanna-
Bhupen, let me make my point.
Yeah,
I
yeah.
haven't spoken fully.
Quickly,
I will
quickly.
make my point and then
Quickly.
then
Yeah.
Mr. Fateh can talk.
Quickly.
Here is this man who talks about breakup of India, who talks India can go to hell,
Yes.
who talks about independence of Punjab, who calls Gagandeep Dhillon an Indian citizen, a Khalistani.
Yeah.
Here is this man who calls the Kolkata police
Who's he?
Napunsak.
Who's
This
he?
man.
Who's he?
This man, Tariq Fateh,
Who's
calls
he?
the Kolkata police a Napunsak. He calls an elected CM an idiot. Please tell me, Mr. Bhupen Chaubey, if you were on a visa to a European country, can you go and abuse their
have no
forces?
idea what is
Can you
Europe.
call
Okay,
for the
okay,
breakup
okay,
of their
okay.
country?
Can-
Can
let-
you
let Tariq
abuse
Saab
their
respond.
elected representatives?
Tariq-
And do you know, forget everything else. He's the poster boy of RSS.
Can I just say this?
He has abused
One by
Mr.
one.
Modi as well.
One by
He says
one.
Mr. Modi is a
One by one.
liar
Let's not
when
make
he
it
says
easy.
ISIS has nothing to do with
Let's
Indian
not.
Muslims.
No, hold on.
So I want,
easy.
don't touch me, Mr. Fateh.
no,
I am
no,
telling you, don't touch me.
Listen.
Do not touch me.
Listen.
Do not. Mr. Fateh, you are on a visa. Do not touch me.
No.
You are on a visa. You are in violation
Let us
of visa
not allow this
conditions.
to
Do
go
not
out
touch
of
me.
hand.
Do not touch me.
Hold on.
And as far as the mosque is concerned, if you ever went to a mosque, you would know what happens
Okay.
there. But the only place you seem to have gone is
Time
a
out.
mental asylum,
No,
and that's what you think.
no.
You
I
seem
must
to be
expunge that.
You
I
did
must-
not spare a
No,
one day on old baby.
I will not.
You did not
I
spare
will not.
a 1 day
I will
old
not
baby.
let personal comments be made, Mr.
I
Poonawalla.
think-
You can make
I
factual
think-
points, but no.
So
no
he
personal
kept saying
abuse.
this is a mosque.
Wait.
Did you stop him?
Let him
Did you stop him?
But that's how
Is
they
this
speak it, Imam.
what does he
Let him
want to say?
What
What does he want to
Fateh
say?
Sahib, you talk to me.
I'll tell you very
आप
honestly.
मुझे
that's
बताओ.
how
What
they
does he want to say?
आप मुझे
I'm
बताइए.
telling you.
You tell me one thing. You tell me
He
one
goes
thing.
uninvited to places.
Why do you? I've invited him.
No, he goes uninvited to make
No, no, Shehzad,
Who called him a traitor?
Let's be fair. Shehzad, let's be fair.
You called Urdu a language of rapists. Why did you go there?
You have
Why did
made
you
your
go there?
point.
Wherever I go, I can go. You can't stop me.
Mr.
Oh really?
Mr.
You can't go to a private
No,
event
you
and then try and do your bigotry
Bhaiya.
out there.
Bhaiya.
You're a
What
citizen.
is
You're not
going
a
on?
citizen of this country.
I-
You're a citizen of that
What's
country,
going
which
on?
your
That.
fathers chose over India. Indian Muslims are not answerable to you.
I don't
You
give a
don't
damn.
have any rights here. Please remember that. You're on a visa. You're on a
Tariq
visa.
Sahib.
You remember that? You're on a visa.
Listen.
You're on a damn
Wait.
visa.
So what does it mean?
Shehzad, this is
So
not a
don't
crime.
think you have
You
all
are-
the rights
Yes, I
extended
will.
to citizens of this
भाई
country.
गुंडागर्दी मत
Please.
करो.
No, no, no.
You're
This
exactly.
is not Gundagandi.
No, no, no.
I think what you've not learned in Saudi Arabia, where you spent a lot of time, is that talking is not Gundagardi.
Of course it is.
Yeah,
All
wait,
right.
wait, wait.
So please understand.
Bhaiya.
that speaking is not Gundagardi.
You look
Maybe
at
your
it.
benefactors
Of
who are
course.
funding you
Now
are
I will
talking
be
this.
Of course,
I will
I
be
get
forced.
funded by RAW,
I will
and
be.
you can't
You
give a
get
damn.
funded by the ISI.
I
You're
will
an
be
ISI
both.
agent.
भैया चाहिए तो बताओ.
You're
दे
an
देता हूं.
agent of ISI.
अगर पैसा
I
चाहिए
tell
बोलो.
you how you are.
This
I
debate
am-
is not going anywhere.
मैं बता रहा हूँ आपको पैसे
Shehzad,
चाहिए
अब you've
मांगिए.
spoken now,
आप
please
क्यों थक
have a-
जाते हैं?
have a-
क्यों
have a
टेंशन
glass of
ले रहे हैं?
Please tell him not to insult and denigrate.
wait,
I
wait, wait,
denigrate
you.
Why is he
I'm
said
denigrating
this is a
you.
mosque?
Of course it's a
wait,
mosque.
wait.
ऐसे
You know-
बोलते हैं हम मस्जिद में.
नहीं नहीं भाई साहब ये
आप फतवे
बताइए
लगाते हैं, लोग गर्दन
भाईजान ये
काटते हैं.
बताइए भाईजान
आपने
मुझे
कुछ
बताइए
किया है?
Is this what happened?
अरे
Why
भाई
do you
जिना
say?
को अलग किया ना आपने.
I want to ask Sushma Swaraj.
Why do you say
Bhupen,
that?
I want to ask Sushma Swaraj.
Shehzad,
This
now
is
you're
the
not
man
asking.
we've given a visa to.
Shehzad, you're not
This
asking.
is the
I'm
human being
asking.
we've given a visa
Shehzad, now
to.
silence.
He insults 20 crore
Shehzad,
Indians.
silence.
गुंडागर्दी बंद
Shehzad,
करो.
silence. Shehzad,
ये
silence.
दंगाबाजी बंद
Shehzad,
करो.
Calling a
silence.
mosque, a place where
Now
people
you
are
keep
cut.
अरे भाई
quiet.
छोटे
Shehzad,
से
now
छोटे
you will listen to
छोटे
me now.
शकील की
You
बातें
will
मत
listen to
करो.
me. You will listen to me.
उनको डायरेक्शन आपसे मिल गया.
एक बात सुनिए तारिक
अरे
साहब
सर,
तारिक साहब
नहीं, नहीं,
आप
Shehzad, now you're not
नारायण
speaking.
की हरकत
अरे
कर रहे हो।
भैया
Shehzad, now
जाने
keep
दो.
quiet.
okay Shehzad keep quiet
हाँ.
now no Tariq Sahab what I want to know is you know I was going through
First, let me tell you who these people are.
Forget them.
No.
You answer me.
देखें.
Who are you?
Please,
You're a visa. अरे वीजा लेकर आया है तू मेरे देश
भाई,
में. तू वीजा लेकर आया है.
नहीं, नहीं,
मोहम्मद बिन
नहीं,
कासिम के साथ आया.
मैं 1947
अरे
में मेरा
भाई,
बाप दादा ने इसको
no,
चुना.
no, no.
बिल्कुल.
मोहम्मद बिन कासिम के
तू
साथ
वीजा पे
आया.
है. तू वीजा पे
अरे
है.
ये
I'll-
और
Who is a
ये
citizen and
I
who is a
will
person on a
close
visa?
the
boss?
debate if
औरंगजेब की औलाद हो.
if this
काशी का टेम्पल डिस्ट्रॉय
Oh,
किया.
really?
If this
मोहम्मद
moves-
बिन
What
कासिम.
about Akbar who made the Hindu
अरे भाई
temples?
उसी की औलाद हो ना.
What about Mr. Akbar who made the temples?
उन्हीं की
If
औलाद
this
हो ना.
moves-
तैमूर की औलाद हो ना तुम.
Okay.
तो चुप करो. बात
wait,
करो.
wait.
अपने तुम्हारे आएंगे जब.
Can I, I'll be forced to stand up, frankly, if you guys continue
No,
like
no,
this.
no. But
so
you
please
have to
don't.
ask a question.
I'm
Somebody
coming to
answer
you.
it.
I'm
Listen,
coming to you.
Let me tell you something.
Can I
No,
tell you
first
something?
I have to say,
Yes.
this little guy over here must not have read the Constitution when he was born, but I was old enough to, in 1965, to have talked about the Constitution. बेचारे पढ़ते नहीं है, ये मसला होता है. ज्यादातर ये इंग्लिश मीडियम मुसलमानों का प्रॉब्लम यही है.
मैं आपसे पूछूं?
क्योंकि मोहम्मद अली जिन्ना को 26 साल जिस शहर से इन्होंने इलेक्ट किया इनके माँ बाप ने, और एक वोट नहीं पड़ सका कांग्रेस को मोहम्मद अली जिन्ना की सीट में. ये अपने जाएं दादा वादे से पूछे कि पप्पा कैसे इलेक्ट किया आपने जिन्ना को. तो अब मैं बताऊंगा इनको कि कौन है हिंदुस्तानी और कौन है. इन्होंने खुद एडमिट किया कि अकबर की औलाद है.
देखिए,
तैमूर की औलादों पे लानत है.
Bhupen, very
No, no, he's
interesting.
talking to
Very
me.
interesting. Very interesting.
He's talking
Listen,
to me.
Bhupen,
I
very
just
interesting.
want
No,
to
but it's
know
very
one thing,
interesting.
Tariq Sahib.
Bhupen, one
All
second.
the allegations which Shehzad Poonawalla has made are allegations, are criticism points
He's
which
not
are
being-
being hold on, which are being made against
Are
you.
they untrue? Are
Which
they
are being
untrue?
made against you. Hold on. Which
If
are
I
being
show
made
it to you,
against
will
you.
he
Bias
leave India and go?
No,
अरे
bias
थोड़ा
section.
भैया,
नहीं, ये सब नहीं.
you
ये सब
know one.
नहीं, ये
You
सब
know one.
ये
Keep
सब
your hands to
नहीं.
yourself.
छोटे से
Keep
हो.
your hands to yourself.
छोटे से
Keep your
भैया,
hands to yourself.
छोटा सा.
भाई तारिक
Here's the
साहब,
tweet.
Tariq
Here's the
Sahib,
tweet.
no,
Here's
forget the
the
tweet. Tariq
tweet
Sahib.
where Mr. Fateh calls the
Doesn't
Kolkata
mean-
police
doesn't
Napunsak.
mean- so what?
Why does
So
he call
what?
the police?
Because
Can
they're
you?
cowards.
Who is he to call our
I will.
police? Men in uniform
तुम कौन
Napunsak.
हो भैया?
Shehzad, I will
What
be
the-
forced. I'll be
I can
forced.
tell you. Okay.
I just
The
want to know.
Calcutta
something.
police.
Criticism points against you, which are being
No, no,
made
no.
by
Did
Shehzad
you
No,
call
no,
All
no.
India breakup? Yes
are
or
being
no?
made by a lot of people.
1 second.
Are being made by a
Shubhay,
lot of
1
people.
second. You have a question and I will answer you.
Yes. I want to know
Just
how are
a
you
second.
answering
Just a second.
this
Calcutta
criticism?
police are cowards. The journalists who support support the Calcutta police and the Imam who said that my throat has to be slit. No,
That may be your view.
Just a second. You did not criticize the Imam who said Tariq Fateh's throat has to be cut. Did you?
I just said, you just saw my point.
What?
You just saw that the guys who have issued a fatwa against
no,
you
I'm not talking
for
about
doing
that,
a program. I will criticize this also. I do not support this.
No, भैया मेरी बात सुने आप. If you want a weighted, decent discussion, you can have that. But if you are going to use this opportunity to placate to anyone,
no.
I'm not afraid of you or him.
Why should you be afraid of him?
India
is a democracy. And everyone has the right to make their point. Mr. Fateh, quick final point.
Yes.
I just want to know from you is this, sir.
No,
wait.
No.
I just want to know one thing from Mr. Fateh. Because all the points which are being made by Shehzad Poonawala
right. They can be made by all the Muslims.
Are being discussed and
Absolutely.
debated by many people.
Better
You have come on my program many times earlier.
Yes.
Similar sentiments, may I humbly point out,
Yes.
have been expressed by other panelists as well.
Absolutely. And they are all
I'm
Muslim
asking
Indians.
You, are you representing someone else?
Or
is it just you?
I'm representing
Are
myself.
you playing someone else's game? Or is this just
I'm representing Raw's game. Do you like to hear that?
Well, I do not know whose game are you representing.
It's your agency.
I will go by what you said.
No,
Mr.
I'm
Fateh.
telling you that. If you are upset,
I hope
if
you
you are upset,
will give us
no, one
citizen
second. If you are upset,
on-
if you are upset that I attack Pakistan, then you have a serious problem.
Can
I'm not.
make
You
the
can.
point?
I think that should
Bhupen, are you
subject
going
you.
to allow a
Bhaiya,
Pakistani on a
Pakistan-
visa to make the final point, or
I
will give
will.
the Indian citizen
Arre
and
bhaiya,
the Indian
you're
Muslim
not an
final
Indian
word?
citizen,
Will you
bhaiya.
please?
Mohammed
now
bin
let me-
Qasim ke
now
saath
keep-
aaye ho.
Can
You
you please
came
keep
with
quiet? Can you
Taimur.
please ask him to keep quiet?
Listen.
Come on.
Can I-
People who
can
came
My
to
problem
rape
with Tariq
Delhi-
Fateh
देखिए,
is only this.
झगड़े से काम नहीं होगा.
Can you
झगड़े से काम नहीं होगा.
Can I make
झगड़ा
my
मत करिए.
point?
Don't
Can I make my
fight.
point?
Yes.
Yes.
The children
Let him
of Tughlaq.
keep quiet. Let him keep quiet.
Arre, you're
One by
my
one.
Modi's
No,
son.
keep
quiet.
Shehzad,
Keep quiet.
show some
Please keep
respect
quiet.
to age.
No, I will show
If for
respect.
nothing
Let
else,
me
he's
make my point.
a guest in our country.
Did he show respect to a 1-year-old
He may
baby?
be-
1-day-old baby?
What baby?
Did he show respect to a
No.
1-day-old baby?
Don't
But
speak
Bhupen, let me
on-
make my final point.
come on.
Final point, yes.
क्या
I
बोला
do-
किसी मौलवी
Final
के
point
बारे में?
बताइए,
Can you
final
please
point.
keep quiet.
Okay, wait.
I am not in favor of anybody abusing him. I am
Jinnah's orphans.
Wait.
I am not
छोड़ के चले गए जिन्ना साहब आपको.
I am not
Wait.
in favor of
You want
anybody
another party?
attacking him violently.
What else did you do?
Can you please wait and not jump? Can you
Can
please wait? You can please wait. You can watch ZTV. This is not ZTV. This is a respectable
ZTV?
channel. Please let me make my point.
ZTV.
Now please,
Come on.
can I make my point? Will you keep interrupting?
Wait,
This is
yeah,
so
yeah.
immature.
Yeah.
पेन को पानी पिलाएं
Listen
जरा.
to me. My only
Maybe
issue
heart
with
attack
him
हो जाएगा
is my
इनको.
only issue with him is that he goes around calling Indian citizens like Gagandeep a Khalistani and terrorist, and he calls for the breakup of
All the
India.
Khalistanis are Indian
I am
citizens.
asking you, Bhupen, and through you to Sushma ji.
Yes.
Does visa conditions of India
No.
allow such a
I have
man to
absolutely
go around
no condition.
abusing Indian citizens?
show me. I
Yes
will just-
or no?
Here's my
And
visa.
if it does not allow it,
No.
what is
No
this
condition.
hate monger
ये सब क्या है?
ISI agent
Yes.
doing in my country? Because his parents
Because-
chose Pakistan and mine chose India.
You know
so
what?
the only children
Wait.
of Jinnah and Godse
Wait.
is you, Mr.
Yeah,
Fateh,
yeah.
not me.
Now
You're
I'm going to
the
ask
son
both of you to
you're
stay
the son
silent.
of Godse,
I'm
you're
not
the
asking
son of
both of you.
Aurangzeb, you're the son of all those
I
people
will
like
be,
Jinnah.
I
Because
will
your parents
again
went
be
there, not
forced
mine.
to cut down
All
your
right.
mic level, Shehzad, if you don't stop right now. You know why? Because the truth is this, and the reason why we were having this debate was to figure out
No, you have to figure out how the TRPs
exactly
should go.
whether these fissures, no, sir, I don't believe in
What else?
TRPs. I don't
Why
believe
would
in
you want to
TRPs.
talk
You
to
may,
me?
you may,
You bring this-
you may believe in that. You do a television
I
program.
do,
Maybe
sure.
those are your compulsions. Those are not my
No,
compulsions.
no,
I'll be very
yeah,
honest with
देखिए,
you.
sir,
I'll
please.
be very honest
Let's
with
be
you.
honest.
छोड़ दीजिए. मुझे
Let's
वो
be
game नहीं
honest.
करना
Cry,
है.
baby, Mr.
But
Fateh. Cry, baby.
for the
At your
fact
age, I know in a video you've demanded for 16-year-olds to romance.
Okay. Yes,
but at
I
your
will
age,
now
dog,
have to
at your
close
age,
this debate.
at your age,
I will.
don't act
No,
like,
no, no, yes,
don't
I'm
act like a typical
Arre,
Pakistani.
bhai,
No,
Don't
no,
act
no,
like
no.
an ISI agent of Pakistan.
Okay.
Be
Let's-
a human being. Be an
No, no,
Indian.
no.
Try to be like an
Let's-
Indian. Try to be like an Indian
let's-
Muslim.
let's-
Come for Rekha, I'll take you and I'll
put
show you
them
what
in
Indian
burqas.
Muslims are.
You
Don't
want
behave
to
like a
wrap
Pakistani ISI
Indian
agent.
Muslim women
Don't
in
behave like a
burqas.
Pakistani
That's what
ISI
you
agent.
are.
I will be
Don't behave
forced.
like an
Put them
ISI
in
agent.
burqas.
I
So
will
don't
be
be-
forced.
See, nowadays there are ISI people in
course.
BJP also.
I
So
will
the
be
party is
forced.
going close to, has got ISI agents also. So this is his impact on them.
I will be forced to close this debate at this
course
stage
you are.
for the simple reason that I genuinely believe that everyone has a right to express themselves. And I do believe, Tariq Saab, that you should perhaps make an attempt to figure out why is it that this sentiment which exists that Tariq Fateh, maybe you're upsetting the status quo perhaps.
Of course I am.
Nobody
I'm
likes
showing
it.
the mirror.
You're showing the mirror.
And the
Perhaps-
mirror has
perhaps
never
you
been
are.
shown.
Breakup of
Maybe-
India is
Oh,
showing the mirror.
अरे भैया, क्या
Calling
है?
for breakup of India is showing the mirror.
you
To
are-
whom are you showing the
Folks,
mirror? By
folks,
calling for the breakup
you,
of India.
folks,
To
to
whom
you.
are you calling? You
To
call
you.
Gagandeep a Khalistani. That is showing the mirror. You call our
Everyone.
elected CM an idiot. Is that showing the mirror?
Yes.
Who are you to do that?
I am.
Who are you?
What can you
I
do?
will,
Who are you?
I
What
will,
can
I
you
will,
do?
I will,
Who
I
are
will
you?
be
What can you do
forced.
about it?
I will be forced. I
Can
will
anybody
be,
on
hold
your
on.
visa call the Texas governor an
Yes,
idiot?
sir.
Can they call
Please
the
do not.
FBI?
Yes.
Please,
Please
you
do
cannot
not.
do it
Yes.
under your visa conditions.
You may have
Time's
a
up.
problem.
Tariq Fateh Saab.
Arre.
This is, see, I don't want this
I
to
am
be a
an
street
Indian
debate.
Muslim with
I
right.
don't
He's
want
a
this to be a
Pakistani
street
with
debate.
a visa.
Please
That's what he is.
understand one
तैमूर
thing.
की औलाद
Listen,
कह रहे हैं
listen.
इंडियन है
Let's
अरे
not
मैं
make
तो
this
अपने माँ बाप की
personal.
औलाद
नहीं,
हूँ,
नहीं,
हमारे
नहीं,
माँ
ये
बाप को
सब
बड़ा दुख होता होगा
do
तुम्हें पैदा
not,
करके।
do
और
not,
इसीलिए
do not
तुम
use,
आगे फिर क्यों सब
do
जगह
not
से
use
अपने
personal
पाकिस्तान को
comments.
छोड़ दिया
Do not
और अब
use
सऊदी
personal.
अरेबिया
Do
को
not
छोड़ दिया।
get personal.
यहाँ पे बताओ भाई
Do not get
क्या
personal.
कर लोगे तुम?
Let me take a break. Let me take a
तुम
break.
तो वापस
I
आए।
do not believe. I do not believe. I do not believe in this kind of.
आपका नहीं है।
बाप का नहीं है
It's time. It's time for a break. It's time for a break. You guys have seen, viewers have seen, and think for a moment the kind of times we live in, where it's not possible to have a debate when it comes to issues related to a particular religion. Does that tell us something about the kind of people, the kind of society we become? I leave that judgment to you all.